want to show you how to use the entertainment center. First of all, you have 3 remotes in order to work the whole system. I know that's a lot, but that's the way it is these days. This remote is for the TV. It has a little mark TV on the front, little mark for TV on the back. This remote is just for the sound bar that is built into the entertainment center furniture itself. It says sound bar volume on the remote. This is the remote for the Apple TV. There's another tutorial video to teach you how to use the Apple Remote TV, but so you can identify it, it has the little Apple logo on the back. To use your television, simply take the television remote, click the red power button. That is all that this remote is going to do for you. Turn the TV on and off. The Apple TV remote is what's going to turn on all of your entertainment options through the TV. And to turn that on, you just click the menu button. A little white light will turn on the Apple TV device so that you know that it's booting, and it will come on the screen. Again, read the tutorial to find out how to use this remote. It might be a little intimidating because it only has a few buttons, but it's very smart, so it's easy to use. And the last step is to get volume. The volume is connected to a high quality sound bar that is built into this entertainment center. For that, you need to use this remote. If there is no power on, then you need to use the power button. Other than that, the only buttons you really need to do in this to operate the TV is use the volume up and down. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is going to have a nice volume, but you can adjust it up and down from there. Hopefully that helps.